Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Yes kids? Right, very good. In our last class, we have learned differences between big and small. Could you remember children? Yes, very good. When we compare objects based on the sizes, we get big and small objects. Right kids? Okay, very good. So today we are going to learn one more new topic. So before going to start our topic, once we will revise the numbers 1 to 80. Okay, are you ready beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. So these are the numbers 1 to 80. Kids, now we will sing a number rhyme. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Next, 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now next, 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those monkeys right to bed." Now, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more fell down and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, 5 little monkeys are doing fine in their beds. Have you enjoyed the rhyme beta? Okay, good. Now I'm going to ask some questions. Are you ready to give answers? Okay, very good. So, my first question is, who was in the rhyme? Very good. Monkeys. Who was in the rhyme? Monkeys. 5 monkeys. Very good answer. What happened when they started jumping? Yes, when they started jumping, they fell down from the bed. Did all of them fall together, beta? No. How many monkeys fall off each time? Yes, 1 monkey. Very good answer. Next, what happened after all the monkeys fell down, beta? Were there any monkeys left? No. Means when there is nothing left, the number we get is 0. Yes, did you understand, beta? When there is nothing left, the number we get is 0. Now, anyone is there on the bed? Any monkeys there are? No, not there means 0. No monkeys. No monkeys means 0. Okay? We say 0 when there is nothing. Now we'll do one activity. Okay? Here we have pebbles. Very colorful pebbles, right? And one bowl. Okay? Now, can you tell me how many pebbles we have? Count, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? Now I'll pick one pebble and I'll put in the bowl. Each time one pebble I'll pick and you have to count and tell me how many are left. Okay? Yes. Now I'm taking one pebble and I'm keeping in the bowl. Now tell me how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how many are left? 9 pebbles. Again one more pebble. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 8 pebbles. Very good. Next again 1. Now tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pebbles. Again 1 pebble. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now from 6 again I picked 1 pebble. Now how many are left, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pebbles. Now next again 1 pebble. Now tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pebbles. Again 1 pebble. 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. Again 1 pebble. 1 and 2. Yes, very good. Again from the 2. I picked 1. Now 1 pebble. And now tell me how many are left with you? Nothing. No pebbles are left on the table, right? No pebbles are left on the table means 0. Nothing means 0. When you have no things, it is counted as 0. It is counted as 0. When you have no things, there is nothing, no pebbles are there here on the table means 0. It is counted as 0 and this is 0 beta. Okay, have you understood everyone? Yes, very good. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Okay, children, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.